I have talked a lot about what is hot selling on Etsy and what to look out for, but I've gotten a few questions on, how can I stand out? How can I add a little bit more something to stand out from the rest? And I actually have a great way. Now, I've done videos on this in the past for print on demand, but this also works for any type of digital product that you are making or selling, preferably like cards or thank you notes. It could be wedding thank you notes, birthday, anything like that. So I'm going to use the example today of a Christmas card just because it is that time of year. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and I think that if you offered this service, all you would have to do is get them to email you a picture of their handwriting on solid white paper, and you can do this. So before I get into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos on how to make a passive income on Etsy. I teach all the fundamentals that you need in order to start your online business. So I took a picture of where I wrote Merry Christmas, Love Alicia on a plain white piece of paper with my phone and on my kitchen table. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this. We're going to actually go right here to the crop feature, and we're going to crop this photo. And we're going to click apply. Okay, so there it is right there. That is my messy handwriting, but hey, that's what a signature is in your handwriting. We all have our own. Okay, so once we have cropped this image, we are in, keep in mind I did dot the I right here and everything. So we are going to click to save this image. We're going to save it to our computer. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and close this photo. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to hop over here on LunaPic, and we're going to upload that picture that we just cropped of our handwriting. And what we're going to do here is we are going to take out this white background. And that makes it a transparent background. Okay, so we're going to click apply. And you can tell down here on the edge, it caught a little bit of something. So you can go over here and you can use this eraser tool. And you can just kind of go down here and take this out. Not sure what I caught there. Okay, so we're going to apply the changes, and we now have my handwriting in a transparent background in a PNG format. So we're going to save the image, save as PNG, and once I pull this up, I'll be able to see if there's any more spots or anything like that. Okay, so it's looking really good to me. I'm not seeing any spots. I'm just seeing my handwriting. So we're going to go ahead and save this image as a PNG file. Okay, and then I am going to, I went ahead and rated them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hop back over here to iPicky.com. Now, I definitely have the ability to make much better Christmas cards. I just wanted to show you how we do this, okay? So I used one of the papers that I had gotten, and I shared them in my Facebook group today too. So if you haven't joined my Facebook group, please, join my Facebook group. All you have to do is search for Etsy Passive Income and make sure you're searching under groups. I give away free items almost every Friday, so that they do come in handy. So yeah, this is generic. I haven't added anything. I just put the paper. This is for the sole purpose of showing you how this works. So we're going to click on our layering tool, and we are going to upload the PNG version of our handwriting. Now, all you have to do is drag this over here, and you can make it whatever size you want. And there is my handwriting right there on this 5x7 card. Now, tell me that that is not personalized. So, if you're really looking for a way to stand out, let's say you're making Christmas cards and you're selling them on Etsy, you can put in there that you offer this service. And I mean, how much more personal can you get than that? Another thing you can do is, I came up with this idea, and I've said this in the other videos I did on how to, get your own handwriting. It's funny, it went from the paper on my kitchen table to right here. But I came up with this idea, my grandmother passed away years ago, and we still have a lot of her recipes. And I thought, it would be such a neat idea to be able to take some of her recipes and make a recipe box, and put some of her recipes on there, or part of the recipe sort of as a decoration with her handwriting on it. So this is just something that you could do to offer as a service. I think this is awesome. Now, once again, pardon my generic card here. I could have added a whole lot more. But this is just another service that you could offer to do. And once again, in your Etsy listing, just tell them to email you a picture of their handwriting on a plain white piece of paper, and that you can get that handwriting onto the Christmas card. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And once again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any more videos. I've got lots more coming. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.